Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a 10 by 10 inch wood panel, and the color I'll be using are pearl red, pearl blue, and pearl violet by Amsterdam. As you'll see, it didn't really go as planned. I tried to do a swipe over all these pearl color and didn't get any sales, or at least the result that I wanted. So I did play with the paint instead of scraping it, so you'll see the result later. So I'm inviting you now to subscribe to my channel to follow my art journey and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Now it's time for me to let you enjoy watching this new painting come to life. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.